Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We have a messy satellite picture today with lots of patchy high-level clouds spreading across the country. You can't really see what's happening at the moment, although what I can tell you is that there were showers along parts of the east coast and the adjacent interior today. There were also thunderstorms developing in the afternoon over some parts of the Northern Cape as well as towards the Western Free State. We're going to continue seeing this region of development intensifying over the next 24-hour period. We're still expecting wet weather for much of the Cape provinces for tomorrow. But first, in the morning, we're going to have drizzle along the escarpment of Limpopo and Mpumalanga as well as into the Lowveld. That will clear out as the day goes on, while over the western parts of the country, an upper air trough is still moving across this area. It's continuing to destabilize the atmosphere across the Cape provinces, and for this reason, we're going to once again have showers and thunderstorms developing over the interior, spreading towards parts of the southern and eastern coastline during the course of Wednesday. A look at the detailed forecast, and starting off with KwaZulu-Natal, cloudy to partly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms for many areas. Those are going to be scattered all across the southern interior of the province. We'll also see a 60% chance for thunderstorms over the inland areas of the Eastern Cape, isolated towards the coastline. It's going to be a mostly warm day for the province, and we're going to see similar conditions with thunderstorms spreading from the Karoo towards the southern coastline, where we could see some wet weather taking place later on in the day. Much later, we're going to also have a few showers spreading into the Overberg area of the Western Cape, but further along the coastline, it is going to be dry. Cape Town gets to 24, windy weather expected for the southern peninsula. No rain for Springbok and Alexander Bay with sunshine, but there is a possibility for showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the Northern Cape, and very similar conditions have been forecast for the Free State, although Welkom will be dry with a maximum of 22. No rain for the northwest. It will be partly cloudy and windy in the morning, but things will clear up later on in the day. It is going to be a couple of degrees cooler than what it was today. And in Limpopo, it will be a cloudy morning with drizzle along the escarpment as well as into the Lowveld, but things should be dry by afternoon. Into Mpumalanga, and we're also going to see some light rain over the eastern parts at first, partly cloudy on the Highveld, temperatures remaining in the lower 20s. And it's also going to be a slightly cooler day into Gauteng, a bit of cloud cover at first. Things clear up later on. Johannesburg and Soweto get to 21 degrees later on. Let's look at winds, and we see it's going to be gusty for the western interior of South Africa, 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, and it's also going to become breezy along the east coast in the afternoon and evening. Thursday, we'll see wet weather over the Cape provinces once again, although the west coast will be dry. Cape Town gets to a warm 25 degrees, and on Friday, thunder showers return to Bloemfontein with a maximum of 22, but the dry weather continues for Gauteng.